All right, you ready, buddy? Go. Come here, bud. Come on. That's where we're going. And it looks like we're the first people to go there. The dog's been there, but no shoes. Go, buddy. Go, go, go. All right, come here, Mac. Come on. This way. Woohoo! It's pretty. Dog track. Oh, here he comes. It's deeper than dog. Not too deep for the dog. What do you see? What do you see? Come on. What do you see? Go ahead, go. Mac! Aha! Good boy! Okay, go ahead. Run along. Oh, we're coming up to the steep part. Come on, Wolfer. Hi, hi. It's deep. Yes. Hi, handsome. Who's a good boy? Okay, we're going that way. I fooled you. Go ahead. Figure he makes a couple of trips, it digs it out for me a little bit. Well, we're the first. You all tuckered out already? I don't think so. Show off. Up and up, reaching the top in the first clearing. That's a lot of up. Oh, the potential for deep drifts up here could make this harder work. Oh, of course I get a phone call. Wonder who that could be.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Baby, it's you.
Don't care. Let's turn off the ring. Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's deep. And heavy. Oh, look how deep it is, buddy. Oh, it's getting a crust on top too. Oh, this is some heavy stuff. Oh, does that feel good? Cooling off? Nothing sticks to you, does it? Oh, some shallow, thanks to the bushes. What are you seeing there? Okay. Well, we can made in China. I don't know what brand they are, but I think based on the fact that they're hanging on a tree, that you can safely assume if you see a set of anti-slip bootwear that looks like that, don't. And here we come upon the mountain biking skills area. I think not. I'll take this drop off that is substantially less of a skill requirement. Oh yeah. Well, the chicken wire certainly did help. No. Wow. Looks like some tree fall down, go boom. That's a big one. Mac! Oh, here he comes. Oh, come on, buddy. You're a good dog. Yeah. Yeah, up to your chest. How is it? Uh-huh. Here we go. Oh, you've been out and back already. There you go. That would be Ramsey's farm down there. All righty, what do you say? Oh, let's go. Yeah, come on. It's deep, isn't it? All right, go ahead. Run along. You cut for a while. Go. Yeah. Oh, this shit's deep. The leeward side of the hill. A little depth check. I think that should give you a pretty good idea what we're talking about in here. A politician. Handsome. Not too bright, though. Look, it's a hotel. Grass. It's poop time. I spy with my little sniffy nose. Oh, what do you see down there, buddy? Here's our snack spot. Oh, it's deep. What do you see down there? Oh my goodness. People. Go get them. Oh yes. Playtime. Let the playtime begin. Go. 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 Oh shush. Schnauzer? Yeah. Great dogs. All right, come on, you two, run around.
How old is this one?
11 months.
Oh, right.
He'll be a year February 7th. Come on, dudes. Let's see some captured for posterity. The deep snow. All right, there we go. Go, buddy, go. He goes right in the creek too.
Yeah.
He'll go straight in the water. When I get to the bottom part, he'll lay down in it.
Nice.
Yeah. He likes ice. He bites and brings me big chunks of it. It's pretty hilarious. There you go, boys. Run around. Don't just stand here. Oh! Fuck. Right in the knee. All right. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. The flat by the riverbank. Deep. No, we're not going down there. All right, dude, come on.